Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of the trade log. Well, as we see, this is our first candle. It gave a closing below the 50 moving average. So obviously, our view for the uh, according to the candle was meant to be the short side trade. Plus, as you can see, the green and the red line marked zones. These depict the long side and the short side trade, which we could initiate for the day. Well, as the first candle itself gave closing below the 50 moving average, so it was one conviction. Then I waited for another candle to get a confirmation for the same. So the second candle gave a confirmation, and I initiated a short side trade. So as usual, the target was simple: 1:2 or 1:3 risk reward ratio. I have to book. The levels are open for the downside because over here you can see there is some zone marked. If we look at the previous levels over here, we can see some kind of support being taken by the price. So this was the plan for the day, that if we take a short trade, we could get to see these levels. Let me share the strike with you. This was the strike where we entered. We entered over here. As you can see, I made an entry above the high of first candle closing. So rest was very less, 20, 30 points maximum. And I booked it somewhat around over here at these levels in this candle itself. I guess I would have booked a healthy 70 points in the trade. The trade was meant to go ahead, but as our risk reward ratio for the first trade was done, so we already booked it out, the trade. Well, that's all for the trade which we had for today. I'll be sharing further updates if any fresh or new good trend with a good risk reward entry comes into play. Thank you.